In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Workspace admin email. This process updates the primary contact email for your organization in the Google admin console, the address Google uses for important notices like security alerts and billing updates. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in with a super admin account, since only admins with the right privileges can make this change. Start by opening your browser and going to the Google admin console at admin.google.com. Sign in, and if you're prompted for two-step verification, complete it as usual. Once you're on the admin console homepage, look for the section labeled Account. If you don't see it right away, use the left-hand menu or the search bar at the top to find Account. The layout can vary slightly depending on your admin view and screen size. Inside Account, open Account Settings. This area controls high-level details about your organization. Next, select Profile. The profile page summarizes your organization's public-facing and contact details. Here, locate Contact Info. This is where the official contact email lives, the one Google will use to reach your organization when something important happens. Choose the option to edit the email. Enter the new admin contact address carefully and double-check for typos. It's best to use a monitored inbox that multiple administrators can access, such as a dedicated admin or IT address, rather than a single person's personal mailbox. If you use a group address, confirm that the group allows messages from Google and that the right admins are members. Also, ensure the email's domain is verified in your workspace. Unverified or external addresses may trigger prompts or fail verification. When you're confident the new address is correct, click Save. You may see a brief confirmation or a prompt to verify the new email. If so, complete any verification steps sent to that inbox. Changes typically take effect quickly, but allow a few minutes for them to propagate across your admin services. After saving, consider sending a test message to the new address or reviewing your alert center and billing notifications to confirm they'll reach the right inbox. Keep your internal documentation updated so your team knows where critical emails will arrive. Finally, remember that this updates your organization's contact email. It does not change a user's sign-in address or super admin assignments. If you ever need to adjust the contact email again, simply return to Profile, open Contact Info, edit the address, and save your changes.